we did this stack, right, of 7, correct, by using duplicating objects, right? Okay, so when you're dropping it, right, when you've duplicated it and you're trying to drop it, just try and put the escape and see what happens. So this block, right, totally falls on top of the previous block. Then if you want to move it, type a key in a gx or gy or gz and check what happens. This is just for your trial. Now what we need to do is, once we've achieved this, that we've achieved in the previous video, okay, we need to scale this one and this one so that it looks a little bigger like this, the first one, and the second one looks a little smaller than the first one. And once we've done this at the bottom here, we need to place this on top most part of the cube. So what I'm trying to say is, we need to achieve an output which looks something like this. I hope I'm understood. Okay, so now let's see how we have got that. So I click on the bottommost cube and I go to the object properties, right, that's called as object properties, and I see the scale part of it, right? In the scale, I change the coordinates, right, of x. I change the coordinates of x, I change it to 2, right, and you see the change taking place. Similarly, you can try different values of your choice. I've changed it to y also to 2, and z I've kept it the same. So I'm just trying different values to see how it will look. You may also do the same, and that's how I have scaled the bottommost cube. Okay, please try it. It will be good if you pause the video and do it side by side so that you're also well in track. Now I'm doing it for the second cube from bottom. I'm giving the values little less than what the bottommost cube has. Okay, so I've given the values as x as 1.5, y as 1.5, and z is itself what it is, 1, right? So I've achieved the bottommost part. Now I need to replicate that, okay, over here on top. So I try placing it, right? Okay, but then you have to see it in all the views and check whether it looks good. Now see this, how it looks. There's a way to do that, but however, let's see the struggle first. Let's go through the struggle, because like I told you, we are still struggling here to get the movements and to place properly. So we are also learning the scale, rotate, move, zooming in, zooming out. All that is a part of this. You will go through this when you are doing your placements. Alright, so try it. It's okay if you don't get it at the first shot. It will require a lot of practice. Yeah, and if you minutely observe, there is still some space there. So I'm trying my best to adjust it using the G. Yes, kind of got it.